In this video, we'll have a look on how to make a simple fixture. In order to get the most accurate data to work with, we can have a look at the parts community. Let's have a look for the Allplan catalog, for example. We can choose the appropriate fixture we need and download it in IFC format. The easiest way to import the downloaded IFC file is to simply drop it in the viewport. We can now start defining the fixture. Enter the fixture name, the type, and its attributes. We can copy over same values from the Allplan part community page. If any of the 5 lines is unticked, this means the attribute cannot be changed when placing the fixture. The plan text can be used as designation in the drawings and reports. We won't link it to the precast catalog for now. We'll be asked to pick the fixture and an anchor point. In this case, a 10 mm offset in Z direction will be entered at the bottom of the screen. We can now indicate this will represent the 3D foil for the fixture, from scale 0 to scale 9999. We could add other 2D foils, but not in C example, so we can conclude with Escape. Choose the folder where this fixture will be saved. Let's model a slab and place the new fixture in it. As we can see, the proposed height is not okay yet, so we'll adjust it. The designation can also be placed. We can see the fixture is a bit below the top of the slab. This is indeed the 10 mm offset we asked for when defining the anchor point.